How to create product upsells in WooCommerce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. It is extremely simple, so let's just go and get to it. So the only thing that you actually need is WooCommerce itself, nothing extra. So first, we just need to scroll down until we find WooCommerce, and then we should be able to find products right next to it. So just go and click on all products. Now just go and select the product that you want to add the upsell to. So I'm just going to select this one. And now you simply just want to scroll down until you find the product data section. And then from here, you simply just want to click on linked products. Once you click on that, you're going to have two different options, the upsells and the cross sells. So you just want to go ahead and click on the upsells option and search for the products that you want to upsell through this red test product that I have. So just go and look up the name of the product that you want to upsell. And you should be able to find it right away. So just go and click on that. And you can even add more, but I just have this one product, so I can't really add any more. And then simply just go to the top and click on update so you can save the changes. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So you can do the same thing for the rest of the products that you have. And we can even view it to show you how it's going to look like. As you can see, this is the main product with the description and everything. And if we scroll down, you should be able to find the upsell, which is this one right here. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.